Ba weep grana weep nini ba. Today, I'm going to teach you how to butterfly kick because the butterfly kick is one of the best first flips to learn in tricking. The first thing we really need to understand is the butterfly shape. And the butterfly shape looks like this. This is the high mid-air shape that I'm making my body when I hit the apex of my butterfly kick. My goal is to look like this because this is kind of like a butterfly. At least that is the origin of the name as I understand. Butterfly kick comes from wushu, and wushu has a lot of really cool butterfly kick and butterfly twist variations. And yeah, in honor of the kind of origin of it, I try and be like super thoughtful in my technique and hit that butterfly shape. Let's talk about the easy version. To do a butterfly kick, it's really easy. We literally just get here and we step over. It's really fancy when I do this big setup and the big jump, but keep in mind, all I'm doing is dipping and then stepping over with my leg. If you can get into this position and step over, we just need to add power to that, add speed, and do this big jump when we do that technique. Doing a butterfly kick is not too athletically challenging. It is literally just a dip, get into kind of like a T-scale, and step over. That said, to hit that nice big butterfly shape when in the air, we need power. And to get the power, we're going to use the U-dip and the spin step. To do the U-dip, we're literally going to be drawing the letter U with our head. We're gonna start in a lunge, and if I am doing my butterfly twist towards my left direction, I'm gonna start with my chest facing the opposite, so my right. I'm gonna dip forward, and then as I dip, drag and pivot my legs across to end up around here, where I then lift and do my step over. It is just as easy as that. Doing that nice U-dip, pushing up, and then just stepping over. It's not too crazy, it's not too complicated. That said, to do it with a lot of power, you need power in your legs. We're pushing momentum this way and blocking off of this back leg. Boom! That's where my energy is going when I do that U-dip, because then if I push it down, I can bounce it back up. In tricking, we're often manipulating our energy, dropping it down, up, twisting it around, moving it to the side. Being able to take that position in a nice strong lunge, dip the chest forward to the side, and then here, boom, getting that nice strong arched back to push and get a lot of power into the butterfly kick. Our goal is just to do that U-dip, but the U-dip is to give us power in the jump. If you're doing your U-dip and you don't feel like it's giving you power, chances are there's something amiss with it, or you're not dropping down and bouncing that energy enough. That U-dip is half the equation when you see people do massive butterfly kicks in the air, but the other half is the spin step. People typically don't do butterfly kick from standing the way I've been demonstrating it, just from that lunge and just using the power of the U-dip. People will do something called a spin step. And to do a spin step, we're going to spin as we step forward. So right, left, and I end right in that lunge. The goal of the spin step is to step in a way where we end with our energy facing forward, ready to block using this back leg and channeling that dip so that we can then lift it up into the air. Let me show it to you at full speed, because it's not just a slow 1, 2, No. We want our energy to flow forward, and we really want to block and use that front leg. That's what gives us the power when we jump. Step, lunge, dip, up. I almost kicked the camera. Now we're gonna put all that together and do a nice strong butterfly kick. And the way to do that is to just focus on everything we talked about. Hitting that butterfly shape, getting the easy technique in your brain so that way you can add energy into it to make it stronger. Doing a nice strong U-dip and using the spin step, using the momentum from running forward and pushing off that jumping leg to lift us into the air. Not too crazy, not too hard, but it does require thought, it does require technique, and it requires us to be pretty aware of what we're doing. When we do a butterfly kick, it's not a typical flip to where we're completely going over our head in the same way we do a cartwheel or we do like a macaco. Instead, we're kind of drawing our body in a circle and doing like a flat frisbee spin. Three quick tips to help you make your butterfly kick nice and strong. Tip number one, that jump off that base leg that's lifting you into the air, it needs to be strong. And if you jump with the leg and then arch the back, it kind of works against itself. See, if I jump, arch, it doesn't really lift me up. We have to jump and arch our back at the same time to really lift in the butterfly kick. Boom. Tip number two, make sure when you do that U-dip, you're getting your chest about horizontal to the ground. If my chest is here, I'll be able to lift up with that same axis, that same perpendicularity to the ground. Instead of, if I let my chest dip too low, I end up doing an aerial. And if my chest is too high, I end up not really doing anything and just kind of stepping over all woo-wee. The third tip, focus on that butterfly shape. It is this position that I'm trying to hold for a split second when I'm in the air before stepping down that leg. I kick up, I hold, and then I step down. If you just kick up and step down immediately, it looks way, way more like a kick and doesn't really look like a flip at all. To me, butterfly kick is like a yellow belt trick. White belt tricks, they're all foundational, fundamental. The yellow belt tricks, they scale up fast. And the butterfly kick, we are launching ourselves into the air. When done right, the butterfly kick looks like this massive flip. And when we launch our bodies into the air, we gotta be ready for them to come crashing back down. So if you can do all the tricks and all the skills in that white belt video I made, you can butterfly kick. You are ready, you have my blessing to start the progression and start learning this technique. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, drop a comment. Let me know you're not a robot. I also want to hear your opinion. Do you think butterfly kick is more of a kick, more of a flip, or more of like a prep for a twist? It's been a debate that has been going since I started tricking, and I don't think it's gonna stop anytime soon, so I'd love to hear your opinion. Yeah, have a lovely day, do good things, do some tricking training. Out.